Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom funnel reports in HubSpot. If you're looking to visualize your customer journey from initial contact through to conversion, funnel reports give you that clear, actionable view of where prospects are moving through your pipeline and where they might be dropping off. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account where you have reporting permissions enabled, as this will determine what data and features you can access. After signing in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, look to the left navigation bar, and click on the Reporting tab. This is your central hub for all analytics and reporting tools within HubSpot. Once you click it, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, select Reports. This section houses all your existing reports and gives you the ability to create new ones tailored to your specific business needs. You'll see an overview of any reports you've previously built or that your team has shared with you. Now look toward the top right of the screen and click Create Report. This button opens up the report builder where you'll choose what type of report you want to generate. HubSpot offers several formats, but we're focusing on funnels today. In the left sidebar, you'll see various report types listed. Click on Funnel Report. If you see pre-built reporting options that match your goals, you can choose one of those to save time, but for full customization, stick with the funnel report option. This gives you complete control over the stages and metrics you want to track. After selecting your report type, click Next to move forward. You'll now be prompted to choose your data sources and data sets. This is where you define what actions or events will populate your funnel. From the drop-down menu, add your first stage event. This could be something like form submission or email opened, depending on what you're tracking. Once you've selected it, click Next again. Now you're in the customization phase. Here you can preview how your report will look, adjust the presentation style, or add additional stages to your funnel depending on your needs. If your customer journey has multiple touch points, this is where you map them out sequentially to see the full picture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.